Yes.
Right. So, with the consent of the petition, effectiveness item number 13 and 14, my lord.
Yes.
It will be taken up on 18th, my lord. At the meantime, I will file my affidavit. If it is ready, it has to be waited, my lord.
18 and 19.
13 and 14, my lord.
13 and 14.
13 and 14.
On the floor of Ms. S. Bora, learned counsel for the GMC, who submits that affidavit will be filed within.
My lord, let will fix it on 18th. Within that time, I will file my affidavit.
Okay. Who submits that the matter may be adjourned till 18th, leaves the matter on it. Okay. Miss, your name is not here. Huh? Huh?
नाम तो अपने था. Name is there.
Oh, your name is there. Sudakshinakshi. Okay, Kanikor, no? That's what I was looking for that. I was looking for that name. Miss S. Kanikor appears for the petition. Okay. Yes.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a matter of motion on 20, lordship.
Why on 20? Why so strategic? Why not tomorrow? Why 20? Why on the last date?
No, there are 18, lordship. 18, lordship.
This is the matter of 16th.
16, lordship.
16th.
Right.
Huh?
30.
Huh?
30. I pay for
Okay. Okay.
number 11,
What is the matter about?
related to second class fishery of Pata district.
So what about it? Give me that item 11.
They have filed their counter matter. It's required and one time. So one week I have already contacted with my, there is no interim order.
Not a question of interim order.
But reply prepared.
Okay, Mr. A. Alam, learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. This is the matter of 3 weeks.
Relevant paragraph to judgment of case 45. Para 8.
So what has not been given to you?
Out of 17 lakhs, they have given only 5 lakhs. Whereas they have admitted by affidavit that they will pay. That's why
They have admitted 9.
earlier they denied they will not pay. But when I filed a requisition, there was second affidavit after verifying everything, they have agreed to pay the rest of that. Out of 17 lakhs and 98,000, they have paid the different bills.
What does para 10 of the writ petition say?
One of them.
Of the affidavit opposition? Where is that?
That is when I agreeing to the amount, my lord.
No, let us see that.
Yes,
Where is that?
Sure, man. Affidavit. Affidavit. Oh.
And what is the time period given for complying with the order?
You will further delay, madam.
Huh?
Without further delay. It is clarified that the amount which has been calculated is to be released without any further delay. The calculation is earlier on, they have made. Period of administration.
There is nothing here which is the amount is payable.
Not by lot.
It's only 30% was thing.
Yes, out of 30%, it is calculated as the dominant amount of 17,98,000. That is the restriction matter. If you're
No.
spending.
No, nothing. Where is the contempt?
What time, my lord? The order in my lord, the rest of the amount, my lord, it is clarified that the amount which has been calculated is to be released without any further delay. So they have not mentioned the amount because out of 17 lakhs 98,000, they have paid 5 lakhs 96,000.
Anyway, right. Heard Miss L. Sector, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who submits that the order dated 6/9/2024, passed in WPC number 6036/2023, has not been complied with. Madam, come to para 4 of the order, page 13.
The petitioner had earlier appointed this court by filing the petition also have passed the order directing illegal admission amount sanction. So out of that order, my lord, they have paid only, my lord, 5 lakhs 96,000.
No, but then this 30% is 5 lakh.
They have not paid.
Madam,
They
this,
approach this court.
you see, madam, this 30% amounts to 5,96,000 as per this paragraph.
That's what they have, my lord, they have paid the 30% of the recommended amount. It is, my lord, the amount, whole amount, 30% of the whole amount. The repetition, I will just read the paragraph, my lord. They wrongly, my lord, calculated. 30% of the recommended amount they have paid, but my lord, my total amount is, my lord, the eligible investment in plant and machinery comes to rupees 59,000, 94,000, and the 30% season recommended comes to 17 lakh. You know, also my can see my this or the letter by the GM, my lord. Letter by the GM, which is in the restriction.
Yes.
Letter by the recommended 17 lakh, 98,000. They paid only 5 lakh. The last pass restriction order is of paid 30% of the amount recommended amount.
No, we'll have to see. Whatever said. So stop. The para 8 of the order dated 6/9/2024. States as follows. Huh. Para 10 of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents number 2, 3, and 5 in WPC number 6036/2023 states as follows. Huh? Okay. List this matter again on Monday.
These are now entitled to one of your lakhs.
No, let us see on Monday. Let me read carefully.
My petition should be here.
Huh?
This petition number, I believe, will be on the file.
Better if you put it here, I think. Better so that we are clear. The petitioner should file an additional affidavit.
If your order, Mr. Hamzan Tulita, understanding council industry will verify the matter.
No, anyway.
It doesn't repeat on.
Should include the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, 3, and 5 in WPC service by way of an additional affidavit.
So, my lord, kindly so he can verify the matter.
Let him come.
Sending
I
council
let,
industry.
before issuing notice, I want to be satisfied.
I think to.
It is not that not able to connect or speak also. The petition also was 70,024, the order was passed.
Okay. Heard Mr. D. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the order dated 17/7/24 passed in WPC 3151/2023 for payment of the admitted amount has not been complied with till date. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post with AD within 3 days. This is the matter after 4 weeks.
I think we.
Okay. Heard Mr. J. Payan, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner's contractual dues has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Miss
Zibora.
G. Bora.
Zibora.
G. Bora.
Not
Z or
Z.
G.
This is for Guwahati.
G. Bora accept notice on behalf of
Step all the
all the respondents. This is the matter
No,
of the
one,
4 weeks
two,
to enable the
no,
response.
final answer.
Finance.
All the respondents except for respondent number 2, who is represented by Miss M. Barwa. B. Buyan. M. Buyan. This is the matter of the 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavit.
Item 4, pending signature part.
Yes. Let us see the WPC 5120. Where is that?
My lord, page number 60, the order is at page number 60.
60.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your prayer now here in this petition? Huh? No, just tell me, what is your prayer?
That side order of Lord Singhal was challenged before the division bench of this honorable. Hereby this honorable division bench of this honorable court directed.
Mr. Council, this is already decided.
Yes, my lord. My lord, what has happened in the page 69 in the appellate court, there was a liberty given to him to approach the authority for fresh connection.
Uh-huh.
Page 69.
Uh.
But what he did, my lord, he has just filed an application, which is not as per the format. He just given an application. So thereby the election connection cannot be given. So he may apply as per the format of the ARC code.
You find the format.
There are some, that's why.
Then you see, if you cannot comply with the division bench order, you please go file a review before the division bench.
I have already complied, my lord. I have, reply to my representation, there was no appropriate communication from the part of the official respondent. By telling that there is some objection on the part of the respondent number 4, we are helpless to provide you electricity connection.
You see, he has just said that you please file, you apply the format, that's all.
Yes, correctly said.
Then,
I have
if
not,
he has correctly said, then what remains?
no, my lord, the authority concerned is insisting upon to, in a civil dispute, between the respondent number 4, and myself, the petitioner.
Where have you said that? Where have you said that?
Paragraph, each and every paragraph.
Huh? Each and every paragraph,
Yes.
each and every paragraph, let me see. Well, what have you said in paragraph 1? Each and every paragraph, please read.
Paragraph 1 is the only.
Then it's not each and every paragraph, Mr. Council. Please be careful with your words. Yes, okay, come to paragraph 2. Does it say that?
No, I come the sequence
Yes,
of
sir, please, Mr. Council. When you say something, don't just say, what comes to your mind.
sorry. Paragraph 5 my candidate.
No case. I'm rejecting it.
Paragraph
You
5.
go. He said that you go by way of a proper form. You fill up the proper form.
Let me explain thereupon you should have passed. In paragraph 5 option.
No, there's nothing to explain before this court. If you want, you go to the division bench and say that.
Because we are not agree to the division bench of because we have said appropriate representation, but they are.
Then you file a contempt. If the division bench order is not being followed, you file a contempt.
Not maintainable at this stage because there are some. Limitation.
Because the judgment is of 11/4/2023 and he is in December 2024. And my lord, the judgment clearly says that the permitted to approach the respondent authority seeking fresh connection. If any such application is filed, the same shall be examined and considered company in accordance with law.
So
So
let
as
us see
per
your
the-
applications. Let us see your application.
Annexure 14 and Annexure 13 with 22.
Annexure,
14.
13 and, sorry, 14.
Annexure 14.
And Annexure.
Annexure 14 is your application. Now let us see what he wants.
He wants proper format.
Then you file proper format.
As per the code.
You file a proper format. If they've got a particular way of asking for something, you've got to do that. You cannot do as you wish.
Then lordship may direct is at for the direction of this honorable court.
No direction. I am just going to say that you follow this code. That's all.
If we,
Right, Mr. S. Paul.
airport,
A. Paul, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who submits that. Despite the order dated 21/10/22, passed by the division bench in WA number 296 of 2022, the APDCL is not considering the petitioner's application. But where is the question of fresh connection? It has to be a temporary connection.
Yes, my lord. As per the delete date, judgment has been
A
temporary.
temporary connection. The APDCL is not considering the petitioner's application for a temporary electricity connection to the premises which he is occupying and which is involved in litigation. Wide case number
2 of 2015,
No.
wait, title appeal 1 of 2018.
Title appeal number 1 of 2018. Good, sir. Next.
This first of my.
Huh?
Now take this in my favor.
In your favor, where is the decree?
I have annexed my. Annexure two. Page 27.
Which the petitioner claims has been decreed in his favor.
In father.
Huh?
It is letting.
In her favor. Good, sir. Next fella. Mr. Yes, your name. APDC.
SP Sharma.
It's the SP Sharma, lawyer counsel for the APDC submit that the petitioner would have to apply for the electricity connection in terms of format one,
Format 1
of
of clause 4.1, my lord,
clause 4.1
of the AERC code.
of the Assam Electricity Regulatory Commission bracket Electricity Supply Code bracket close regulations 2017. He submits that the petitioner has not applied for the said has not applied for the said electricity connection in the proper format number 1, format -1. He submits that if the petitioner applies for electricity in terms of format 1, the APDSL will consider the case of the petitioner. Okay. Next paragraph. In view of the submission made by Mr. S.P. Gupta, learned counsel for the APDCL, this writ petition is disposed of by giving liberty to the petitioner to apply for the electricity connection in
House of.
for the house, no, for the house in which he is residing. He's alleged to be residing by making an application under format 1. The APDCL should thereafter consider the case of the petitioner as permissible, as permissible, as per so forth. That is petition accordingly discharged.
In further civil dispute arose between the parties should not be any bar in considering that objection.
Sorry,
Rights.
how much?
3,27,000.
Mr. Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner's contractual dues amounting to rupees 3,27,600 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr.
G. Bogolial for respond number 2.
G. Bokalial accepts this notice on behalf of point number 2. What about the others?
SC agriculture is there, man. Which of them? Agriculture.
Huh? Mr. B. Chaudhary
B. Chaudhary.
accepts notice on behalf of respondents number 1,
And 3.
3. On it. This is a matter of the 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavit.
6.
The collective Murthy was in there, he supplied to the various fisheries in.
Huh?
They collect Murthy was there, various Murthy was that is, chicken, the best products, and then they collected from various places what is, and then they supply to Moria, the fisheries in Moria, because the fishes are watching. However, you're watching, there is an order, you're watching with 90 pesos. The order did 27, they paid 27. 25, 10,000, 44, please, 27. Mail.
Where is the impugned order?
I think it's the order, you know, 4, 5 and 6 have been.
Page
Page.
27.
You are married. So these are the respondent being named to the they are respondent number 4, 5 and 6. So you got to deposit it at the value.
So you are challenging this settlement order.
Exactly.
Why?
There is no penalty about it. We are also committee working here. We are very immediately tender. If we are open tender, then we will definitely participate. And we only came to know.
Probably it is because the amount is less than 1 lakh now. That was the reason. Not. If not direction, then I can have the instruction.
Then issue notice. Mr. T. Dury, learn counsel for the petition, submits that the settlement slash allotment order dated what?
25/10/2020.
25/10/24. Passed by the Commissioner GMC in favor of, they are the respondents,
Respondent number 4, 5 and 6.
4, 5 and 6, to collect unused poultry waste should be set aside, come in as much as no tender was issued prior to the issuance of the settlement slash allotment order. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. P. Nayak accepts notice on behalf of respondents number
2 and 3, Lord.
2 and 3.
Yes.
What about the others?
Right.
Mr. G. Bokaliel accepts notice on behalf of respondents number 1. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 4 to 6. List the matter on. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondents 4 to 6 by except for daily. Within 3 days, list the matter after 4 weeks.
Yeah, please. Better passage to 2% forest value.
2% forest royalty. Where is your
Similar order.
land document? Huh? Page 20. You are the co-patadar or the sole owner? Co-patadar.
I am possessing a 1 katha land out of the
So you are possessing 1 katha land.
1 katha.
So you are building it on 1 katha of land. But this Jamabandi is for 12 bighas.
Yes, ma'am.
So your building is on,
Patadar.
huh?
So many co-patadars.
Maybe, but you are building it only on 1 katha. Let us see the GMC letters where the permission has been given for how many bighas or kathas. Let's see.
Yes, 25 the application.
Page 25 is their application. That's good. Patta number 135. Out here, patta number is 58.
But that is my lord. New patta, my lord, 135. Two
Huh?
patta is there, my lord.
Huh? One
58
new
is the-
patta, okay, 135. Huh? But where does it show that you are going to build on 1 katha of land?
1 katha, that is not meant. But I am, my lord, I am the owner, only 1 katha. That is, my lord, remark said, is my lord in Damabandi. Remark is here, that I am owner and possessor of a plot of land. Measuring 1 katha.
Okay, right. Heard, Mr.
That's it.
S.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. who submits that the petitioner is the owner of one katha of land in Pata number 135, Dag number 2184,
Village Satgaon,
which is located at
Village Satgaon,
huh?
Village Satgaon,
Village Shadgaon, lot number 16, Musa number Beltola, Dispur Circle, Guwahati. Submits that the petitioner has been directed to pay 2% forest royalty for the construction to be made by him on his own land covering one katha of land. Yes, sir. Then you take that, huh? That 2%. Mr. P. Nayak appears for the GMC,
GMC and GMDA.
GMC and GMDA,
Respond number 4, 7 and 8.
4, 7 and 8. For Mr. Bokalial, G. Bokalial, accepts notice
Three,
from,
my lord.
appears for
3, 6, 3 and 6.
3 and 6.
5,
And 5 only.
3, 5 and 6.
1 for forest.
Huh?
1 forest.
Who is for, forest is for whom?
Respond number 1, 1.
1 and 2 and 4.
Mr. I. Thakur appears for the point number 1 and 2.
1 and
So, dispose of.
agreement of party at a
Any objection?
I'll see, my lord, whether, my lord, at all, my lord,
Huh?
it is required or not, my lord, because the admittedly the petitioner's land is a forest land, my lord. That's why we have rejected his candidacy, my lord. Now he transferred on that case, the clauses of the brochure is unjustified, illegal, my lord.
Huh?
Now he turns around and said the condition of the brochure, the guidelines are irrational. That cannot.
Oh,
be.
he's challenging the thing.
Yes, my lord.
He's taken part in the proceeding.
Yes, my lord. He was unsuccessful.
Oh, he's unsuccessful.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, we filed this replacement petition on as per the your lordship court order.
Huh?
As per your order, your lordship.
Where is that?
11 annex or 8, lordship, page 10.
Page 10 of the writ petition.
No,
Yeah. So let this application be allowed first, then we'll decide the. Heard, Mr. T. Goel, Learned Counsel for the applicant who submits that the State of Assam, represented by the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Environment and Forest Department, and the the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of the Forest Force, and the Revenue Circle Officer. What do you mean concerned revenue officer? Which is the revenue concerned revenue? Huh? Which area? Circle Officer, Washington DC or what?
no, your lordship, para 5.
rights,
Huh?
Revenue circle.
Para 5.
Para 5, okay. Circle Officer, Sarup Pathar, Revenue Circle. You see, in your prayer, you said concerned revenue circle. You do not know. It is in para 5, okay. This one should be imperial response number 4, 5 and 6. Mr. S. Bhattakur, learned counsel for the
Respondent,
Huh?
1, 2 and 3 minutes.
2 and 3.
1, 2 and 3 minutes.
1, 2 and 3. And Mr. I. Bhattakur for respondents number
Is 4 and 5 minutes. 4 and 5 minutes.
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Uh,
How can it be 4 and 5? Acha, they are going to be implemented only.
yes, madam.
I. Bhattakur will not be there. Submits that he has got no objection to the application being allowed accordingly. So repeated as response number 4 to 6. Applicant to submit a corrected cost title to the registry within 3 days. I is accordingly allowed and disposed of. Then in the main case, you write, in view of the order dated 11/12/2024, passed in IAC 3796 of 2024. So and so are repeated as response number 4, 5, and 6. Issue notice to the respondents number 4 to 6. Mr. I. Bhattakur accept notice on behalf of respondents number 4 to 6. 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. And Mr. Who will appear for the circle officer? Revenue. Mr. G. Bokalial accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 6. Extra copies of the writ petition be furnished to the counsel for the respondents.
Can I,
We would require copies.
Extra copies I've said.
can I pay for a fixed date? Because there is an interim.
Okay, list the matter when.
Any day.
List the matter when. Okay, the registry will do that.
I didn't know.
For implement of the finance department as party respondent.
Huh?
Implement of finance department as party respondent.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. A. Todi, learned counsel for the applicant who submits that the Commissioner Secretary of the Government of Assam, Finance and Taxation Department and Commissioner and that's all. Only one. Should be treated as respondent number 6. Mr. G. Bokalial appearing for the respondent number
1, 4 and 5.
1, 4, and 5, comma Miss J. Bora for respondent number 2, and Mr. I. Dubey for State Election Commission submit that they've got no objection to the application being allowed. Accordingly, so and so, we will please respond number 6. Applicant to submit a corrected cost title to the registry within 3 days. I is accordingly allowed and disposed of. Then in the main thing, in view of the order dated 11/12/2024, passed in IAC 3839 of 2024. So and so is repeated as respondent number 6. Issue notice to the respondent number 6. Who accepts notice taxation, finance and taxation? Mr. M. Bhuya, finance and taxation?
I'll also.
Mr. B. Gogoi accepts notice on the respondent number 6. Petitioner takes the petition to serve extra copies of the writ petition to Mr. B. Gogoi during the course of the day. And list the matter after 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavit.
Item 50 of the same.
Same. Item 15. Okay. Same.
Respondent number 6.
6.
Same,
Okay, same thing. When the parties are all the same.
all same.
Yeah, same, huh? Out here will be IAC number 3840/2024.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, the conducting counsel, lordship, due to some personal lordship difficulty, is not here today in this court, lordship. Can this matter be taken up on 17th, lordship? I have informed the senior counsel, lordship.
17, we have,
is it
we have
mistake?
already fixed one big matter.
16, or lordship, 18 years for the convenience of the.
Oh, that dietary thing.
Yes, lordship.
Next week is all motion days.
Friday, Lordship.
What do you mean? Friday?
This Friday.
Huh?
Anyhow, there is no difficulty with the government because supply.
It is being supplied.
Vacation.
Let it be after vacation.
Lordship, there is some urgency, Lordship. So,
There's the urgency, you're not here.
Lordship,
This is not the only case in the Guwahati High Court.
yes, Lordship.
So can an endeavor be made?
Endeavor, Mr. Counsel, depend upon the, you see, there's so many cases listed, that's the problem.
Anyhow, my lord, they will not be affected by that.
Yes, they're already being supplied anyway, how does
They
it not?
also be a supply. Going on.
You want, you see, these cases, if you look at the dates, we have been giving you dates, very short dates. The last date was on 25/11. Today is what date?
Today is 11.
Today is 29, then after that 29/11 was given. And today is 11/12.
Lordship,
Within 2 weeks, it has been listed thrice. What do you think? We have given you enough time.
after a week, Lordship.
Right. A general prayer has been made on behalf of the respondents on the ground that the conducting council is having some personal difficulty. Accordingly, leave this matter. Yeah, on vacation. This is matter after the vacation.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
I think we will.
Yes, balance, madam, 2,53,000.
Yes, Lordship, but the respondent number 3, ICAR, authorities will deposit the same. Then we will definitely release the amount.
Who is appearing for respondent number 3?
CRA. And our instruction is annexer X in the record.
Yes, who is for respondent number 3?
I thought the response number will be submitted. May I take your Lordship? Yeah, it is. Page 24, my lord.
Page 24.
I have not received the copy. I have not received the copy. Lordship.
Maybe, let us see page 24. What does it say?
The amount has already been given to the PWD.
Then on that part, Lordship, I will have to take instruction. Because already we have said,
It's a letter of 10/10/23.
immediately after vacation, Lordship, I'll take instruction.
So what was the work, total work amount? Work estimate was how much?
22,95,091.
Okay. Right. Petitioner's counsel is present and submits that the balance amount of rupees 2,53,159 has not been paid by the PWD to the petitioner. Despite the fact that the ICAR has written a letter dated 10/10/2023, which is to the effect that the entire amount payable to the petitioner and more has been paid to the PWD. Full stop. Miss
S Sharma for
S.
PW,
Sharma for the PWD shall obtain instructions
this
with
part.
regard to the letter dated 10/10/2023 issued by the ICAR, comma, which is annexure 1 to the affidavit in opposition filed by the by the respondents number 3 and 4, bracket ICAR. List the matter on. When, madam?
Immediately after vacation.
You were, you were.
I'm obliged. Item 16.
The video lordship. Lordship, point number 3 is not filed the affidavit. 4 and 5 have filed the affidavit. Otherwise, lordship, the acknowledgement of liability is there in page 78. Of my.
This is your affidavit. Where is the admission by them?
Given by the respondent number 3 in the RTA reply mail.
Maybe.
Respondent number 3 has not yet filed the affidavit. Lordship.
What is 4 and 5? What has he said?
They are, lordship, saying that the vehicle was taken by the point number 3, so they will have to pay for the charge.
Who is for respondent number 3?
We are awaiting instruction in this matter.
Respondent number 3 is that, who is he?
Additional deputy commissioner.
Lordship may give immediately after reopening lordship. We have communicated to them.
2 and 3, basically.
Lordship 2 and 3.
So who is going to, whose name should we record?
My bad.
Mr. G. Bokalial, appearing for the response number 2 and 3. Praise for time to file affidavit on behalf of the response number 2 and 3. In as, just a minute, in as much as the affidavit of the respondents number 4 and 5 states that the vehicle was hired by the additional DC and Nazard officer, Golpark. Miss, your name appears for respondent number 4 and 5. Miss.
Yeah.
P.R. Mahonta appears for respondent number 1. The respondents number 2 and 3 shall file their affidavit within 3 weeks. List the matter on. Give it.
Item 17.
Similar matter, lordship, respondent number 3 has not filed their affidavit.
Same, 3 and 4 are filed.
Lordship, no. So here, 3 and 4 and 5 are not there.
Okay, right. Who is appearing for 3? Three is Deputy Secretary BTC. Huh?
Item
You've got no role.
We have received instruction in this matter.
Okay, you are for
I am for deputy commissioner, my lord.
Deputy Commissioner.
My lord.
So you are the main person? Is it?
My lord.
Is it?
Lordship.
Okay, Mr. G. Bokalial, learned counsel appearing for the response number
4.
4 and 5.
My lord.
Submits that instructions have been received and he will be filing affidavit within.
4 weeks, my lord.
Huh?
4 weeks.
No.
3
Within
weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
Oh, brother.
What does the Parawise comment say? Admitted.
Liability is admitted here, my lord.
Then we'll dispose it off.
My lord can.
You give me that. Or do you want an affidavit? Right. Heard Mr. F. Mitra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Must have also heard Mr. G. Bokalial appearing for response number
3 and 4, my lord.
3 and 4.
4 and 5, my lord.
4 and 5. Ms. R.B. Bora appears for fund number 2 and 3. Mr. A. Datta appears for respondent number 6. Well, Ms. P.R. Mohanta appears for fund number 1. The petitioner has paid for a direction to be issued to the respondent to pay the vehicle hire charges amounting to rupees 11, 57, 122. For hiring the petitioner's vehicle bearing registration number AS01 KC 5541. Next, Mr. G. Bokalian, learned counsel for the respondents number
4 and 5.
4 and 5, has submitted letter number KNZ-1/2024/503 dated 21/8/2024, issued to Mr. K. Gogoi, additional senior government advocate, Assam, Guwahati High Court, by the additional district commissioner Pokraja. Outside 14 lakhs.
My lord.
Huh?
Say whole they had sent to the government lawsuit for proposal lawsuit, but particularly with the petitioner parties, it was not there. There's a whole lawsuit the requirement of higher charges as well as lawsuit the other.
Material supply works.
Charges for the driver that was provided, that also has to be paid.
Huh?
The charges for the driver, the vehicle will given and not be the driver. So the driver charges will also have to be.
No.
But that is not your prayer. That is not your prayer.
Here lawsuit the instruction is in respect of lawsuit as a whole requirement of the government, the particular district regarding that period, including vehicle, generator, lawsuit toll charges and other material supply civil work. That demand was given to the lawsuit authority. So lawsuit may and.
No, you come to para 2, para 3. In regard to statement made in paragraph 4 of the writ petition, the deponent submits that the hiring charges, bills received from the concerned writ petitioner had been duly forwarded to the government, so and so, for necessary sanction and release of fund.
That is included lawsuit, that particular portion lawsuit.
Correct. So, okay, so that 11 lakhs you pay, whatever. You have admitted this amount. Huh?
They were between 14 lakh lawsuits.
Admitted 14 lakhs, but 14 lakhs includes generator hire charge, POL, material supply, civil works, then septic tank cleaning. Septic tank cleaning is not your job. So anyway,
Otherwise, lawsuit, they were.
but vehicle hire charge is only 4 lakhs out here.
My lord.
I think let them file affidavit.
It will be better.
What have I said? Which states at para 3 as follows. Huh? No, don't say that. Which states you cut? Huh? What's that? Mr. G. Bokalian shall submit affidavit in person to the above letter dated 21/8/2024 within 3 weeks. This is the matter of 3 weeks.
The vehicle number is AS 186681.
The problem is that the bill that they have shown, out there the vehicle hire charge is only 4 lakhs.
Lordship, no, lordship, the vehicle number, the registration number of the vehicle, is lordship AS 186681.
Where?
Lordship,
So that's what I said. What was the vehicle number I said? 4541. No.
668. My case is for 661. In my repetition lordship, the details is on page number 5 lordship.
Okay, AS01 KC 5541.
My
No.
number is AS 18E6681. It is there in my repetition lordship, page number 5.
You come to your particulars. List of dates.
Lordship, there has been a typological error. That was the other case lordship. Only the writ petition lordship, I mean, the body lordship, in page number 5 lordship.
I cannot read each and every line. Okay, what is the number?
AS 18.
AS18 dash E dash 6681. Huh? Yes, sir.
I apologize. That's lordship, I never did, same date.
Okay, same date.
Like lordship. Yeah, in this case, I have filed a reply in. That was in first one will be 18, that was filed by respondent number 6, I have filed a reply. And the next one also that is filed by respondent number 2, I have also. So while this matter will be come for admission hearing final for while after vacation.
Okay, right. On the prayer of Mr. P. Mahanta, let us ask for the petitioner. List the matter on
After due vacation.
when?
No, my lord, this is not the due vacation, my lord, due vacation is a long time, my lord. This is the,
Winter
When do you want?
my lord, this is 8 or 9, my lord, of January.
9 January.
Master.
Oh, bless you.
I think 20.
You cannot put outside.
Just the last order that is 18/11 and I will pay.
This case, Lordship, we have received certain instructions, my lord, like done sometime, we'll put it by way of affidavit, Lordship.
Okay.
What happened, Lordship,
Otherwise, regarding distribution, some dispute is there, Lordship.
So you were not given this device since when?
Lordship, pursuant to Lordship, National Food Security Act.
When? I said when. Please do not. I asked you when. When were you not given? Since when were you not given those devices? When were you supposed to be given the device? 22. And you came in 24. You wait for his, let him file his reply.
We have lifted
Lordship may
the-
give some, otherwise, I,
Presentation is also forwarded to the respondent. They are not providing us. All of a sudden, Lordship, the impugn order has been passed. That is the.
Where is the impute order page?
Lordship, page 50.
50. 50. When can you file an affidavit?
Lordship, I have received instruction from Deputy Commissioner, but Lordship, the instructions from the Lordship, Food and Civil Supply Department, so Lordship, may at least 3 weeks in the meantime, we'll file, Lordship.
Okay, right. Mr. K. Gowai submits that he has received instructions from the concerned district commissioner. So, however, he has not received instructions from the Food and Civil Supplies Department.
Lordship, Lordship.
The Mr. K. Gowai is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instructions and file affidavit.
Lordship, Lordship.
List the matter on, give it it.
Lordship, they-
Lordship.
Lordship, last order.
Interim order, huh?
Regarding the impugn order. Lordship, can you pay? Interim order supposed to-
Next, after, we'll see you on the next day.
There's-
I think we'll give it on, give it in that first week. Second week. Ninth.
On that day, increment.
We will see.
Because there is order is there.
We'll see.
Lordship, on last day, court directed me to obtain instruction as regard the status of the proposal forwarded by the irrigation department, Lordship. And my instruction today I received, Lordship. It was returned to the irrigation department, Lordship, as the proposal doesn't contain seal and countersign, Lord.
Doesn't contain the seal and
Countersign.
countersign. Whose countersign?
That is not clear, Lordship, but it was returned in the Assam portal. Lord.
Let it be on Friday, Lord.
Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for the response number 2 and 6 submits that the proposal sent to the finance department by the
Irrigation.
irrigation department has been returned back due to the proposal not carrying the seal, not having the seal and the signature.
It is a seal of countersign.
Seal of countersign,
Yes, that is, does not.
seal and seal of the person who countersigned
Yes.
the proposal. So, Mr. Henupade, Counsel for the Irrigation Department submits that. He will obtain instructions with regard to the above and ensure that the seal has been put on the proposal and sent back to the finance department. List the matter on
Lordship, Friday.
Friday.
Obliged.
I think we need to.
Yes, what happened?
Lordship, some sanction orders, receive lordship, but whether petitioner is received or not. Exactly, we do not.
Where is the petitioner's name?
Name 804.
Huh?
804,
804. So he, sanction order will not be there.
but we are.
Right,
not-
no one appears for the petition on call. Ms. R.B. Bora submits that the petitioner's serial number is 804. But out here it is 123.
123 is district west and consolidated list, or.
Is that serial number 804 in the consolidated list? Though the petitioner's name is at serial number 123 in the district-wise list made by the BTC. She submits that. Though sanction orders have been issued, she does not know whether the sanction order has been made in relation to the contractual dues payable to the petitioner. She submits that she will obtain the up-to-date status report with regard to the same within 2 weeks. List the matter after 2 weeks. Finish? Finish? Good, Leo.